In this tutorial, I will review the Cobio Contour Relief Pillow and find out if it's legit or just another scam. This pillow claims to offer neck and back pain relief using an ergonomic memory foam design. It's marketed towards side and back sleepers looking for better spinal alignment and more comfortable sleep. Some users say it helps reduce neck stiffness and improves sleep quality. Others find it uncomfortable at first or not as supportive as expected. Results vary depending on sleeping position, body type, and personal comfort preferences. The pillow is made from memory foam and has a removable cover, but some reviewers mention it takes time to adjust to the shape. If you suffer from mild neck pain and want a budget-friendly contour pillow, Cobio might be worth trying. But don't expect instant results. Give it a few nights before judging. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.